What's up, everyone? Today we're going to learn how to make egg flour soup from scratch. Also known as egg drop soup, my dad's deliciously simple egg flour soup recipe only takes about 10 to 15 minutes to make. The fa in dan fa tong refers to the way the eggs beautifully blossom into fine wisps and strands as we slowly whisk the egg into the soup. Teaching us will be my dad, who's been cooking Chinese food for over 50 years, and who happens to be playing the flute that you're hearing right now. Also, stay tuned at the end to eat with my family and learn more about the dish. Check out our blog post for a printable, adjustable list of ingredients, as well as step-by-step videos and instructions on how to make this dish. Hope you guys enjoy!
大家好啊！今日整一個好簡單嘅，好多人中意食個蛋花湯。蛋花湯其實好簡單嘅啫，又係蛋啲材料簡單，隨你搭哦。
First, let's chop up our green onions and carrots. Cut the carrots into tiny cubes. Then, we'll add 6 cups of water into the pot and set the stove to high heat to start boiling the water.
先打蛋先，我哋用3隻蛋，或者你中意用4隻蛋亦都冇所謂。呢度係4至6個人嘅份嘅。如果你人少啲，可以整少啲咯，亦都冇乜所謂啫。我哋發蛋時咧有一個好竅門嘅，就係你再加一個湯匙嘅水落去。俾少少水落去打啲蛋會容易散啲，但係唔好俾太多。
To be thorough, beat the eggs for about 20 seconds.
好啦，蛋豆就擺喺度打起用啦。
Once our pot is boiling, we'll add our carrots, corn, and peas into the pot. Then we'll start preparing our cornstarch slurry with 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 5 tablespoons of water. Mix until there are no clumps of cornstarch.
大家睇到，而家咧就開始拗佢一個圈上去，埋個圈上去啦。一邊攪住佢，一邊咁落啲粉，唔好一下倒晒落去，慢慢放。
Keep pouring and stirring for about 30 seconds until the soup base starts to thicken.
個圈就打好啦，我哋再嚟將啲蛋擺埋落去。落蛋嘅時候咧，亦都唔好一下倒晒落嘅喎，要慢慢咁倒落，一邊落一邊攪佢，咁攪住佢咧，唔好佢成嚿嚿啦，睇住，睇住。一邊落一邊攪住佢，嗱睇下，慢慢落慢慢攪，哇！啲蛋花幾靚，你睇，啲蛋花真係幾好靚。
Now, let's turn the heat off to preserve the softness of the eggs, and then we'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder, as well as white pepper and sesame oil to taste. Mix the flavors into the soup.
基本上就大功告成啦。好啦，而家呢個湯就整好啦。嗱，大家睇下啲蛋花好靚，嗱，倒佢落去嚇，睇咩？睇到啊？睇到蛋花好靚，係咪 ？OK， 咁啦，大功告成啦！呢個蛋花湯睇到嘛 ？OK， 大家啦可以食得噶啦。嗱，俾少少葱花上去，嗱，你可以俾，可以唔俾啊。好啦，就係咁簡單。好啦，呢個蛋花湯就係咁簡單搞掂啦，可以食得啦。
Does he look so happy, huh?
唔該，食很該食蛋花湯，唔該啊。
I'm excited.
靚唔靚啊蛋花？先係咪？啲蛋花靚唔靚啊？先，你啲雲巡係咪？
Hi, baby. Cheese, baby. Cheese. Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah.
I'm excited. Do you get control of your white pepper today?
He loves bell pepper.
Don't mess up the flavor.
You want some egg flour soup?
Too much?
梗係多咗滯啦。
See?
有嘛
The egg looks beautiful. If you don't put the water in there, is it more likely that the eggs are more like chunky?
都或者冇咁靚啊，先係咪？嗰啲幾靚係咪？
可唔可以擺雞啊？
得啫，爹哋都話你唔一定係要你中意乜就俾乜，但係蛋花就一定要蛋花。你可以落咩肉都得，可以落蝦又得。
呢個可以叫做
羹
蛋花羹，都可以叫蛋花湯。
Gang is kind of thick liquid. Tong thin liquid.
細路仔用住，
我細個嗰時邊有蛋食嘅仔？
你要雞咯，
有雞都唔係好多蛋嘅啫嘛。 呢度要3隻蛋啊，幾日先生3隻蛋啫。我哋唔好似而家咁成日切好多蛋啊，一個月都唔食1-2次蛋。
In the old day, nothing like that. Nothing like right now. We have the coupon. It's called ticket to go to the market to buy pork.
Yeah.
Maybe £1 for 1 month.
£1, 1 month.
We cannot buy meat every day, so a lot of time the table only vegetable.
其他爹哋捉魚咯，
Fish.
Oh.
爹哋成日捉魚咯。
You always fish.
He catch the fish in the little pond.
我屋企成日好多魚食㗎，我屋企。
Always had fish.
He's
How big were the fish?
有大有細咯，有啲咁大條，有啲咁大條，好好食㗎。我呢啲糖虱啊，好細條嘅啫嘛，好好食㗎。唔同呢啲 cabbage 唔好食。佢哋捉咗好多田雞翻嚟。
田雞係 frog.
Frog.
啲捉好多田雞喺屋企啊，養住喺屋企啊，一落大雨咧就好多都捉好多翻嚟。
When the rainy day, all the frog comes out from the soil, then you can catch them.
Cute.
Because when you catch them at home, then you cannot finish once, right? They just use a little pot to put the frog inside, so eat later. Like a cat to raise them.
喺河邊吹簫咩釣魚，
吹簫釣魚。
係啊，一邊喺度吹簫，一邊嚟釣魚，有魚食今日。
The river.
見到有魚食啦，咁就
You want to do more now?
佢哋而家就再釣魚。
No.
見到好遠釣魚而家，我去報啦。日報啦。
When you was little, Jenna was little, we cook this a lot for them. A lot.
Like how often?
Like 3 or 4 times in a week.
Oh, wow.
Because we have a restaurant. In the restaurant, it's really easy to do it.
Now everyone on YouTube is going to see I use chopsticks wrong. I do it like this. I know you're supposed to do it like this.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like this. Yeah, one day you're gonna learn how to use chopsticks.
Yeah, don't learn from me.
Cam, do you like the dish?
Yes.
Like the egg flour soup, Cam?
Yeah. He wears stretchy pants so that he could eat lots.
Like big boy food. It's big boy food.
Oh.
Cam, can you ask everyone to subscribe?
Everyone, please subscribe our video and enjoy the beautiful egg flour soup.
Yeah. Yay. Can you guys smile, Cam?
Yay!
Cam, say bye to everyone. Bye, Cam. Love you guys.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up
Thumbs
to our
up, Cam.
video.
2 thumbs up.
Yeah, 2 thumbs up. Thumbs up.